The correct camping knife can make all the difference while you're in the woods. Whether you're cutting food, preparing firewood, or managing unforeseen duties. In this compilation of the top 10 camping knives available on Amazon, we have carefully chosen a selection of blades that blend comfort, usefulness, and longevity for any outdoor activity. These knives, which range from little bushcraft partners to multi-purpose fixed blades made for demanding applications, are made to function when it counts most. These tools are dependable, durable, and ready to earn a spot in your pack, regardless of your level of experience as an adventurer or weekend camper. The Kershaw Camp 5 is a rugged full-tang fixed blade designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliability and performance. Its 4.75-inch clip-point blade crafted from D2 steel offers excellent edge retention and durability, making it suitable for tasks ranging from camp chores to survival situations. The stone-washed finish not only enhances its appearance but also helps conceal scratches and reduces glare. The black glass-filled nylon handle features a machine texture, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip even in wet conditions. Weighing approximately 5.7 ounces and measuring 9.1 to 5 inch overall, the Camp 5 strikes a balance between heft and maneuverability. It comes with a molded sheath equipped with a dual retention system providing secure carry and quick access. Whether you're bushcrafting, camping, or handling everyday outdoor tasks, the Kershaw Camp 5 is a dependable companion built to withstand the challenges of the wild. The BPS Knives 5 Hong Kong dollars bushcraft knife is a handcrafted, nonsense tool built for serious outdoor tasks. Featuring a 5.1-inch blade made from high-carbon 1066 steel, it holds a razor-sharp Scandi edge that's ideal for wood carving, feather sticking, and fire prep. The classic drop-point design and Scandi grind give you excellent control and cutting power for precision bushcraft work. Its full-tang construction ensures durability, while the walnut wood handle offers a warm, natural grip that's both ergonomic and slip-resistant even in wet conditions. Whether you're building a shelter or prepping food, the 5 Hong Kong dollars is a reliable all-around performer. The knife comes with a handcrafted leather sheath with belt loop, making it easy to carry on your next adventure. Simple, functional, and built to last, the BPS 5 Hong Kong dollars is a fantastic bushcraft knife for beginners and seasoned outdoorsmen alike, all without breaking the bank. The Schrade SCHF57 is a compact and rugged fixed-blade knife designed for everyday carry, survival, and self-defense. Featuring a 2.63-inch full-tang 65mm high-carbon steel blade. This knife delivers impressive toughness, sharpness, and edge retention. The drop-point blade design ensures versatility, making it ideal for slicing, piercing, and detailed cutting tasks. Its G10 handle scales provide a secure non-slip grip even in wet or slippery conditions, ensuring reliable handling in various situations. Despite its compact size, the ergonomic design offers excellent control and comfort for extended use. The SCHF57 comes with a thermoplastic belt sheath, allowing for easy and discreet carry on your belt or as a neck knife. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, camper, or someone looking for a reliable EDC blade, this affordable yet durable knife is a great addition to any gear setup. The Morive Basic 511 is a no-nonsense utility knife crafted for rugged use, whether you're out in the field or handling daily tasks. Made in Sweden, it features a 3.6-inch carbon steel blade hardened to approximately HRC 58 to 59, offering excellent sharpness, edge retention, and ease of resharpening. The 0.08-inch blade thickness paired with a scalloped Scandinavian grind makes it perfect for carving, slicing, and utility work. The ergonomic barrel-shaped TPE polymer handle includes a sturdy finger guard, providing comfort and safety even during extended use. It weighs just 3.9 ounces and measures 8 to 5 inch overall, striking a balance between portability and performance. Included is a hard plastic combi sheath that securely holds the blade, offers belt carry, and can interlock with compatible models. Rugged yet affordable, the Basic 511 proves that simplicity and quality can go hand in hand. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned users alike. The Benchmade 15500 Meat Crafter is a hybrid fixed blade built for hunting and camping tasks. It features a 6.08-inch CPMS for 5VN steel blade with a flat grind and satin or stone wash finish, delivering superb edge retention, corrosion resistance, and sharpness. With 2.9 mm blade thickness and a trailing point profile, it excels at slicing, trimming, and food prep. The full-tang steel spine continues through textured OD green G10 handle scales, ensuring strength and a positive grip even in damp conditions. Weighing just 4.5 ounces, the Meat Crafter balances portability and stability. Measuring 11.06 inch overall, it's compact yet capable. It comes with a Boltron sheath available in high or camouflage options for secure carry-on belt or pack. With its premium materials, ergonomic design, and sharp edge, this knife is tailor-made for hunters, campers, and outdoor culinary use. Feel dirty performance with chef-level precision. The Buck 104 Compadre Camp Knife is a rugged purpose-built tool that excels in all your outdoor and survival tasks. Crafted with a 4.5-inch drop-point blade made from 5160 spring steel and treated with a corrosion-resistant Cerakote finish, this knife offers impressive toughness and edge retention. Its full-tang construction ensures maximum strength, while the 0.15-inch thick blade handles chopping, slicing, and firewood prep with ease. Weighing just over 7 ounces and measuring 9.5 inch overall, it's balanced and agile for camp or bushcraft use. The natural canvas micarta handle is ergonomic and slip-resistant, offering a comfortable grip even in wet conditions. Finished with a high-quality leather sheath featuring a belt loop, this made-in-USA blade is backed by Box lifetime warranty. Durable, dependable, and ready for action, the Compadre is a true camp companion. The Morren Eldrris is a compact yet highly capable fixed-blade knife designed for everyday carry, camping, and bushcraft. With its 2.2-inch Sandvik 1-7 stainless steel blade, the Eldrris offers exceptional sharpness, corrosion resistance, and durability. Its short yet sturdy blade makes it perfect for precision tasks like carving, food prep, and fire starting, while the Scandi grind ensures excellent control and ease of sharpening. The ergonomic polymer handle provides a comfortable non-slip grip, making it easy to handle even in wet or cold conditions. Despite its small size, the Eldrris is a powerhouse capable of handling various outdoor tasks with ease. This knife comes with a secure plastic sheath, and Morren also offers an optional neck carry kit for added convenience. Whether you're an adventurer, bushcrafter, or just need a reliable backup knife, the Morren Eldrris delivers big performance in a small package, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. The White River Knives M1 Backpacker Pro is a lightweight yet durable fixed blade designed for hikers, campers, and everyday adventurers. Featuring a 3-inch CPMS 35VN stainless steel blade, this knife offers outstanding edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. Perfect for outdoor survival and bushcraft tasks. What sets the M1 Backpacker Pro apart is its ergonomic G10 handle scales, providing a secure grip in all conditions. Unlike the standard M1 Backpacker, which comes with a paracord dropped handle, this version offers enhanced comfort and control. Despite its solid construction, it remains lightweight at just 3 ounces, making it easy to carry on extended trips. The Kydex sheath with a multi-mount clip ensures safe and versatile carry options, whether attached to a backpack strap or belt. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or tackling everyday tasks, the M1 Backpacker Pro delivers top-tier performance in a compact, ultra-reliable package. The Condor Pterosaur is a rugged and reliable bushcraft knife built for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a 4.2-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention and toughness, making it ideal for carving, battening, and fire starting. The Scandi grind enhances cutting efficiency, while the black powder-coated finish adds extra durability against corrosion and wear. Designed with practicality in mind, the ergonomic polypropylene handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, ensuring excellent control in all weather conditions. This knife comes with a durable polymer sheath that allows for multiple carry options, including belt and scout carry. With its outstanding craftsmanship and budget-friendly price, the Condor Pterosaur is a solid choice for those seeking a dependable bushcraft knife that can withstand the toughest outdoor challenges. The The Tops Knives Mini Scandi Neck Knife is a compact powerhouse designed for precision cutting and everyday carry. With a 3-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade, it offers excellent sharpness and edge retention, making it ideal for bushcraft, utility tasks, and self-defense. The Scandi grind enhances its cutting efficiency, making it perfect for carving, slicing, and fine detail work. This full-tang knife ensures durability and reliability, while the tan micarta handle scales provide a secure grip even in wet conditions. Despite its small size, the ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. For effortless carry, the Mini Scandi Neck Knife comes with a Kydex sheath and a breakaway chain, allowing for discreet neck carry or belt attachment. Whether you're in the wilderness or an urban setting, this lightweight yet tough knife is an excellent addition to any EDC or survival kit.